Female Power Tandem of the Year goes to Star for Drama Actress of the Year goes to
TV programs and performances.
Pinoy Big Brother, Gen 11, TV5, and A to Z.
Ate Bianca, Melay, Enchong, Robbie, Alexa, maraming salamat po for always supporting Pinoy Big Brother. Ito po talaga ang kwento ng totoong buhay. Star Awards for Television Hall of Famer.
The female star of the night, Miss Kim Chu.
PFBC, maraming salamat sa naka-appreciate sa glamping ko. I love you so much. Thank you.